Calculating discounts. So some vocabulary that we should have is the original price, and this is the price that an item usually costs. A discount is the amount that is subtracted from the original price of an item. So the discount is the percentage off times the original price. The sale price is the discounted price. You can get this by doing the sale price is equal to the original price minus the discount. So a store may give a discount to an item because it is not sold for a long time. The store has too much inventory. The store may be closing and needs to get rid of inventory. The item may be perishable or close to expiry date. A sale may bring in customers into the store, like door crashers, some reason to get people there and they'll hopefully buy more items. Now, a discount is usually expressed as a percentage off the original price. So the original price of a shirt is $24.99 and is on sale for 30% off. What is the discount? So, if we want to calculate just the discount, we know that that's 30% off of the price, so 30% of $24.99 is what we need. And we know that we can find the percentage of a number by doing the decimal equivalent. 30% is like 30 divided by 100. And that's the decimal number which we use to multiply by the amount, and we get our discount of $7.50. So if we need to find the sale price, we should subtract the discount from the original price. So the original price was $24.99, the discount was $7.50, and that difference is $17.49. So once we have our sale price, we then apply taxes. And on Ontario, it is 13% HST. So how much tax do you pay? Well, we need to increase the price by 13%. So first of all, let's find out what 13% is. 13% of the subtotal, remember that's the price before taxes. And we multiply 0.13 times 17.49. That was our sale price as we've just calculated. So that additional tax is $2.27. So to determine the total price, we take our sale price and we'll add our HST. So our sale price was our subtotal in this case, and our tax is an additional $2.27. Altogether we get $19.76. So this is one method to solve for the total price. Let's take a look at this example. A pair of shoes cost $89.99. They are on sale for 30% off. So determine the sale price of shoes. So you can practice this on your own since we've seen a similar example. The sale price is the original price minus the discount. Now I'm going to use this equation to try to solve for the sale price. All that we need to do is calculate each part, starting off with the original price. The original price is $89.99. But the discount is 30% of $89.99. And we can determine that looking at the next line. That's 0.30 times $89.99. When we calculate this using a calculator, we find out that that is $27. And when we subtract, we end up with our sale price. Notice that that dot above the equal sign just indicates that we've rounded this calculation to the nearest cent. Because we're talking about money, our answer should have 2 decimal places. And let's try part B. Determine the total price. So I'll give you a moment to try this. You can pause the video. So hopefully you remember that the total price is equal to the sale price plus HST. So the sale price was, and I'll get everything in the frame, sale price was $62.99 as calculated in the last question, but we need to get an additional 13% of $62.99. So 13% of $62.99, writing on the next line, is 0.13 times $62.99. That's an additional $8.19 for HST. We add that to our sale price and we get $71.18. So what I'm going to introduce you to is another skill to be able to find the sale price. Now, if we are doing the following technique, we take the original price and we subtract the discount, then what we're doing is taking the original price, think of it as 100%, and we're subtracting the discount, which is 30% of the original price. That difference is 70%. That 70% represents how much of the original price you actually owe. We'll take advantage of that. Sale price is equal to percent owed times the original price. We owe 70% of the original price in this case. So all that you need to do is one calculation, 0.70, that will give you the percentage that you actually need to pay for your sale price, times $89.99. And you get $62.99. So the advantage of method 2 is that this is very quick to go from the sale price, from the original price to the sale price. The advantage of method 1, even though it's longer, it tells you exactly how much money is being discounted, and sometimes it's nice to know that value. A similar type of thinking can be applied to part B. Determine the total price. So, if we have our sale price already calculated as we had in our previous section A, then we need to get an additional 13%. So, what we're going to do is the following. Let's look at method 2. It looks much shorter. Really, this is 113% of the sale price. Let's think this through. That's 100% of something plus an additional 13. So 100% is the original amount, and then that 13 is the additional amount. So when we convert this using a calculator, 113 divided by 100, that's 1.13, or move the decimal place over 2 spaces, and multiply it by the sale price. This number out front, this factor, will give you the original sale price plus an additional 13%. And notice that we get the same answer with a different technique. So use whichever one you feel comfortable with and understand the advantages of each. This one here will just tell you the total price given the sale price. The method 1, although it's longer, it's nice to know how much HST you paid in total.